It's no secret that for many years now, China has been no friend to cryptocurrencies. Chinese regulators have come down hard on cryptos over the years, and in 2021, they were fully banned by the country. With that in mind, you might be surprised that one of the more successful cryptos on the market was actually developed in China, and has even at times been likened to the Chinese version of Ethereum. Billing itself as the smart economy system, NEO hopes to take digital assets, digital identities, and smart contracts to the next level. Welcome to Crypto Sketch 101. We're the #1 go-to spot for all things crypto, and we're glad you've stopped by. If you love cryptos as much as we do, please give this video a like, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we're examining NEO. We'll dive deep into what it is, what it hopes to accomplish, its comparisons to Ethereum, and China's regulatory impacts on it. There's a lot to cover, so let's get into it. NEO describes itself as a rapidly growing and dynamic ecosystem with the purpose of laying the groundwork for the next generation of the internet. A vision of a new economy based on digitized payments, identities, and assets, which NEO calls the smart economy. On the NEO blockchain, assets may be easily digitized in a trustworthy, decentralized, open, traceable, and transparent way that is free of middlemen and the costs associated with them. Users can document, acquire, sell, exchange, and circulate various assets. The NEO platform enables physical assets to be linked to a unique digital avatar on the network. Additionally, NEO supports the protection of the assets registered on its platform. Assets registered with NEO have a digital identity that has been verified and are legally protected. Smart contracts allow transactions and agreements between different parties to be carried out without the intervention of a legal system or a central authority. The execution of these contracts are based on the network's programming code, which allows for transaction traceability, transparency, and irreversibility. Because NEO supports a wide array of programming languages, including Java and Python, there are a very large number of developers that can build on its platform. One of the unique aspects of NEO is its focus on regulatory compliance. From the beginning, NEO was designed to be regulatory friendly, having a centralized approach that is unlike that of most cryptocurrencies. The regulatory friendly focus may help it survive, and even thrive in China and other countries that have historically looked down upon cryptocurrencies. Central to this approach is On-Chain. On-Chain was founded in 2014. While working on NEO, various organizations approached NEO's founders inquiring about private blockchain solutions. On-Chain was created as a separate technology company from NEO, to work with the proper legal and financial bodies necessary and deliver blockchain solutions to diverse businesses. Distributed Networks Architecture, or DNA, is On-Chain's standout product. It creates private and public blockchains using digital asset applications. DNA is thought to be a blockchain platform that can be tailored to solve a variety of challenges in both the private and public sectors. Although both were developed by common founders, it's important to understand that NEO and On-Chain are separate entities. Neither has controlling interest or ownership of the other. While NEO's primary focus is on the business-to-consumer segment, On-Chain's primary focus is on business-to-business enterprise services. On-Chain is backed by Fosun, China's largest private conglomerate, while NEO is backed by a public community. The founders of NEO and On-Chain believe that in the future, they will be able to accomplish cross-chain interoperability. That is, a system will be built to connect and share data between blockchains, whether they are public, like NEO, or private, like those run by enterprises. Interoperability will become increasingly important as the number of blockchain-based systems grows in both the public and private sectors. The teams at NEO and On-Chain have a strong focus on closing this gap. NEO's economic architecture is based on two unique crypto assets, NEO and gas coins, each of which serves a different purpose. On the NEO blockchain, blocks are validated using proof-of-stake consensus, in which coins are staked. NEO currency stakers receive gas coins in exchange for helping to protect the network and propagate blocks. NEO coins are also utilized to offer voting rights in order to help establish the ecosystem and governance procedures on-chain and off-chain. Gas is used for transaction fees on the network and also used to pay for smart contract execution fees. In many instances, NEO has been regarded as the Ethereum of China. While they do share some likenesses, NEO seeks to excel in those areas lacking in Ethereum. Like Ethereum, NEO seeks to be a home for smart contracts and decentralized applications. Transaction speed, developer adoption, and consensus mechanisms, however, are the true differentiators for NEO. Transaction speed has long been an area lacking with Ethereum. Transaction speed is measured by the number of transactions that can be performed per second or transactions per second. While NEO can handle up to 10,000 transactions per second, Ethereum falls significantly behind and can only handle approximately 15. Developer adoption is another key difference. As previously mentioned, NEO developers can utilize mainstream languages such as Java and Python, languages that many developers are already familiar with. Ethereum, though, only allows for coding in their proprietary language known as Solidity. Because Solidity is a new language, it must first be learned by developers in order to develop smart contracts and decentralized applications on the Ethereum network, presenting a major barrier to entry. And finally, consensus mechanisms. NEO utilizes delegated Byzantine fault tolerance, an improved version of proof of stake, while Ethereum utilizes proof of work. Proof of work is the same consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin and has been very popular for many years. However, it is less efficient and considered to be more damaging to the environment due to its reliance on nodes and the significant amount of energy that they use. For all the areas that it is lacking, however, Ethereum is currently undergoing upgrades to address many of these issues, and will even be upgrading to proof of stake in the summer of 2022. Now that you know a little bit about NEO, you may be wondering what impacts China's crackdown on cryptos may have on it. According to NEO's developers, China's crypto ban has had little impact. Most projects are sponsored by NEO Global Development or NGD, and run by partners outside of China that service users from all over the world. Inside China, NEO and on-chain's regulatory-friendly focus may already be paying off. The government of Guiyang, the capital of a province in southwest China, has already given on-chain its blessing for their standout product, DNA. Even though China has been critical towards cryptocurrencies in years past, reports have circulated that the government is looking for an alternative option and willing to collaborate with enterprises that will fall in line. If proved to be accurate, NEO and on-chain, both Chinese companies, would be the front runners. Additionally, if on-chain technology is adopted and integrated with the Chinese government and enterprises, allowing for an all-encompassing solution, NEO adoption will increase significantly. And that's all we have for today's video. We hope you got a good understanding of NEO and its unique features. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining, and we'll catch you in the next video.